so chocolatey, dead by chocolatey. Wow. Hey guys, it's Abby here with a new video. In today's video, we're going to be making double chocolate muffins, and this muffin is so yummy. If you have already, please click the subscribe button. I'm so glad at how much you guys love the last video, so please show me some love here. Give me likes, give me love. Let's get started with this video already. I'm going to start off by adding my sugar, my vegetable oil, my eggs. Then I'm going to stir this. Now I'm going to pour in my Greek yogurt. Here I'll be using our unsweetened Greek yogurt from Bilicious Desserts. I have a training on how to sign up on the yogurt making course. This course is very educating. Please check the description box for the link on how to sign up. I'm just going to add in my Greek yogurt. Ooh, so thick. My milk. Here I have baking soda, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Cocoa. Then my flour. I'm just going to stir this properly. And I almost forgot to add flavor. This is buttermilk flavor. 2 teaspoons. This is what it should look like. Ooh, so yummy. Please note that the recipe will be in the description box below. The smell is, woo! This is my chocolate. This is a dark compound chocolate. I'm just going to chop this up. This is my already chopped chocolate. Ooh. At this point, I'm going to use my This is ready to go into the oven. My cupcakes are ready to go into the oven. I have a detailed tutorial on how I make this tulip cupcake paper, so check the eye icon above by the right over here, or the description box below. So now the muffin is ready to go into the oven and bake for 30 minutes. I still have a bit of butter here, so I'm going to pour this into my cake loaf pan. Ooh, yeah, they are absolutely gorgeous, super gorgeous. I can't wait to cut into it and show you what it looks like. Oh my god, which one should I go in first? Oh my god, these tulips are just so beautiful. Oh, I have a video on how I made this. Please check the description box or the eye icon somewhere here. Oh, this is, oh, gorgeous. This is what the muffin looks like. Super amazing, super delicious, super yummy, so soft. So I'm just going to cut into one of them. Ooh, magical. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, let me just give you a glimpse of what the inside looks like. Okay, I don't know how to cut something when it's hot. I'll try my best to show you the inside. Can you see this? Ooh, let me give you a glimpse of inside. Oh my god, so chocolatey, dead by chocolatey. Wow.
You really have to taste this. This is so amazing. You need to try this recipe. Hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Like this video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye for now. I love you.